In an encouragement card campaign, volunteers send cards to families every day. On day 1, they send 1 card. Day 2, 2 cards. Day 3, 3 cards, and so on. Each day, K cards on day K. How many cards do they send from day 38 through day 60? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here is a hint. The Gauss formula adds from day 1 to day n. Here, we need only a slice. Think about how to express that slice as a difference. Picture a number line from day 1 all the way to day 60. We do not want all 60 days. We only want the slice from day 38 to day 60. Here is the trick. The slice from day 38 to day 60 equals the full sum from day 1 to day 60 minus the smaller sum from day 1 to day 37. The big sum includes the part we want plus the part we do not want. Subtract the part we do not want. Compute each piece with the Gauss formula. Sum 1 to 60 equals 60 times 61 divided by 2. That is 3,660 divided by 2, which is 1,830. Sum 1 to 37 equals 37 times 38 divided by 2. That is 1,406 divided by 2, which is 703. Subtract. Sum from day 38 to day 60 equals 1830 minus 703. That is 1,127 cards. Notice how Gauss did the heavy work twice, once for the big sum and once for the small sum. Adding day 38 plus day 39 all the way to day 60 by hand would have been 23 additions. With the trick, it is 2 clean formulas and 1 subtraction. The answer is 1,127 cards. When a sum only covers a slice of a longer pattern, the move is rewrite the slice as one Gauss sum minus another, big minus small. The Gauss formula gives each one in one step. Next level changes the rules. The pattern alternates between gaining and losing. The straight Gauss sum will not work. We will need a new lens. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.